Hi, this is Scott Fisher with Topos Mondial. I'm here at IBIE 2025 in Las Vegas, and I've got Gordon Albright with Levain Bakery right next to me. He's a great customer of ours. And Gordon, I wanted to ask you a question. What was it that made you decide to use Topos Mondial in your bakery?
Sure, Scott. Well, I've got a long experience with Topos Mondial in previous firms where I've directed and selected equipment, and so based on that really good experience and over decades, it wasn't hard to search you out. But one of the key things is really the attentiveness and the depth that they go into to solve problems that real bakers need. A lot of equipment is sort of an engineering fantasy, I guess I would say, and so their equipment is really designed to do what you need and tailored to solutions that bakers need, to whether you're into batters or heavy hard doughs or bread doughs or whatever it happens to be. Their equipment is really well thought out and continuously upgraded. And so with Levain, when we needed to upgrade our mixing systems, they were the first company to come to mind for us to reach out to.
Fantastic, Gordon. I appreciate your feedback. We appreciate the business. And if you want to experience the success that Gordon and Levain Bakery has experienced, please contact Topos Mondial. Thank you.